Welcome back. So the bricks have finally smelted and I'm ready to start crafting. But first, I think we got some new members who moved in to introduce. Isn't that right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Hello there.
Hello.
We got a vampire and a werewolf who moved in and a dragon. Turns out these are the people that actually run the Wolfton town that I stumbled into.
I would have to correct you there. The one living with the werewolf is human.
Oh, never mind. Human. Anyway, I'm going to start crafting some smeltery parts. Saves forces.
Technically, the dragon wings are only enchantment.
Ah, fair enough. I'm looking for a drain. Seared. Oh, you need copper now for a drain.
Well, I think I made that too big.
That's very interesting. Okay.
I think that's okay. I made it a little too long.
Smeltery drain. Make a smeltery duct now as well. A seared chute. Fuel tank is still glass. The controller. Whoa. This is new. You use a copper and cast it onto a heater. And that's what the... Okay, this is new. This is new. Okay, so Tinkers have changed how the mod actually works. This is very
much so.
interesting. I thought it was the same old, but never mind. We need some sand. We have some sand. So, let's make the drain. There's our drain. Looks like we're going to need a heater. 2 heaters, one to cast and then one to uncast. Go in the basin. There. One bit of glass. There's one. Oh, here we go. And there's 2. So, make our fuel tanks. 2 fuel tanks. We're gonna need some lava now. I wonder where we can get that. Right, let's head over to the forge. So, off camera, in the time when I was sleeping, some magical pixies and fairies have decided to come build me a forge. Let's go over, let's have a look. So how are you guys, by the way?
I'm alright, just playing another mod pack at the moment.
Oh, we got fight. Oh, not bad. We got a bat. Oh, thank you. Where's my trident? Uh-oh, my trident. Where's it gone? Oh, there it is. It's just taking ages. So, how are you?
I'm doing fine. I was over by your road trying to see what I could do to improve it.
Oh, nice. So introduce yourself for everyone watching through my head camera.
What's up? Name's DJ, or in my moniker, DK Mozart.
True. Yeah, so
What again?
we got a new smelter here. I say smelter, it's more like a blacksmith's forge. And I need to make some smithing things. So let's see if we can figure out how this works. So we need to make a we may need a... I don't think we need a fuel gauge, hopefully not. We're going to need a heater below to heat up the smeltery. And we're going to need probably a fuel gauge.
Okay. So to make a seared heater, You just need seared bricks in a circle to grab the grid.
I got the heater, but actually no, we need a melter. That's what it is. That's the first smelter. But to do that, we need a fuel gauge or an ingot gauge.
Seared fuel gauge, which means you need 5 glass or bricks.
Glass. Yep. Ingot gauge is glass and bricks. That's it. So we need more glass.
Yep.
I don't seem to have my shovel on me, so using our hands it is.
Oh no, not yet.
Yay, thunder.
Awesome. Right.
Yeah.
Got rid of the spider. That's it. Oh, need some food. Let's have a surf and turf.
The only thing I've been eating so far is
Oh! Ouch.
There we go. That's better. Ranch fried chicken. That's what I've been
Ooh,
eating.
not bad. Sounds pretty good.
Even though the texture on it is bugged, it still looks like ranch fried chicken to me.
Nice. Oh yeah, that is that's a very interesting ranch fried chicken. Right. Pinkin. Is that ranch fried chicken with pink sauce?
Pink sauce. Yeah, my own special blend.
Yeah.
Oh no.
Oh yes. Just kind of waiting now for this to cook. Once we have this, we'll have a smeltery, and we can start making real tools.
Yeah. Stock. You can make BLTs in here.
We can? Oh, we can!
Yeah. That's a filling one right there.
Ooh.
7.5.
Not bad. 7.5, yeah.
That's a long thorium.
Bacon and eggs, bacon wrapped chili, cooked salmon. Put the flour away. Oh, with flour we can do a lot of things.
Yo, are we streaming?
Recording, yes.
Neat.
But yes, so we're now making a smeltery so we can make some more tools for the nation. And once we get tools and weapons for the kingdom, then we can start invading. Pardon?
You're making a nation. Hold up.
Well, a kingdom / realm / empire, a Reich. Same thing.
Potato, potato.
Exactly. Nation, kingdom, realm. Yeah, I got a crown on my head, of course.
No, the one thing that nation truly needs is currency, right?
Yes. We'll have to figure something out.
That's what I have right here.
Diplomacy.
Oh.
Vampires might be your best friend or your worst fucking nightmare.
I hope for the former.
Diplomacy.
But if not, we've always got Ooh, what is this?
These are the coins that I've been using, and my magnet's on it.
Creeper coins.
not the cutest.
This.
Floating away.
Oh, you think you got my smelter as well?
That's my nether.
Ooh.
That's another reason I'm back at my place because
Oh, I gotta go.
How tasty. I think you've got my smelter in you as well.
Do I?
Yeah,
My
Bummer.
magnet should be off.
seared melter. It was on earlier when I broke it.
I did not pick anything up. Do you by any chance have a backpack on you?
I do, but I don't have a magnet in it. And it's not in there either.
Oh man, let me check my backpacks. I think.
You got 2 backpacks?
Yeah, my wife gave me 2 of them that she found.
Ooh,
I actually have 3 more back here too.
wow.
These have some backpacks sitting around.
Okay.
And if I had tens of thousands of items just sitting in
Yeah,
chests, because
you still have your
Biggest sword.
thing on. your magnet, so it is going into you.
Okay, I think.
Wait, it's gone to the ceiling.
Ceiling. What's up there?
Nothing, but look, it's.
Oh, it is going to the ceiling. I see it right there.
It's witchcraft.
It's witchcraft.
Wow.
Hold on,
Oh, did you get it?
I got it.
Awesome.
I got it.
Yes, wow.
All right. Where do you want me to put this stuff?
Just give it to me. I need to go back to the smeltery. Oh, you know, come with me to the smeltery.
Yeah, I think it's better if I just come with you there.
There you go.
You need to make a path leading over to your smeltery.
We do. That's on my next list of priorities after the forge. I mean, forge. We need a forge, and it's going to be the least buggy thing that will never ever break or cause any issues or anything like that.
Fine, no words.
Of course. Forge never causes an issue. Am I right?
Knowledge Dingus construct just has not caused many issues, if any.
Actually, you know what? Better yet, since the magnet thing is a bit bugged, I'm going to make a chest and just put stuff I want to give to you in there. Once I stop
Yeah.
liking.
Do you have any coal on you by any chance?
Cool, let me check real quick.
Coal?
I have 3
Oh,
physical-
wood works. That's fine. I got wood.
If you need coal for smelting, you
Here,
could,
let me-
you could send it to me. I could make it into coal coke.
Yeah, that's the. Oh,
I have 32 coke ovens.
I will need a load of fuel to be shipped in from your industry. By the way, are you the owner of Helen Industries?
Yes, of course I am.
I don't suppose you're connected by the river trade or the canal system.
I certainly am.
Brilliant. If you could send me your location via map, I can travel over to you and possibly initiate a
You should,
trade.
actually, hold on, you should probably be able to see the claim from the map, actually.
I'm trying to roleplay, mate.
Oh, I did not actually know that. I did not even trying to roleplay.
It's alright.
You never told me.
I'm recording right now. But yeah, no. But essentially, I need to import stuff from you. Buy things. By the
So
way,
it's
is your
basically
magnet
like,
still
you know
on?
the spawn village? It's the village
My
just
magnet
is from
northwest of that.
I see.
It's following
Did you get any
spawn.
wood by any chance that collected into your inventory? Because it just went from that tree.
Oh, about wood, I have mountains of it.
Nice.
Literally.
Anything
has
I picked
mountains
up,
of
I
it.
put into the chest here.
Ah, brilliant.
Oh. I didn't pick up any wood. Oh wait, here it is. Right over here. It kept floating toward me. It must have got stuck on a block.
Ah, yes.
Also, I put some of the nation currency into the chest there for you.
Oh, lovely. 24
break it down-
coins.
If you break it down, it will actually turn into single points. So they're stacks.
No. Oh, I see. Smeltery controller. We did it. Right, so now. Unfortunately, can we make a copper bucket, I wonder?
Copper bucket.
Can you make it out of copper? Or do we need iron?
You'll need iron.
Right, we are going to need some iron. Oh! Ironclad turtle shell of latent magic. I found something.
Oh, there is iron right here.
Oh no, don't mind that one. That's the pretty iron.
That's pretty iron.
It makes it look pretty. We got some iron in the house.
I should also fail to mention I am sitting on 15k of coal in my backpack.
I will now need to
15,000?
import some coal from you then. What's my iron?
Well, why not? You could basically get twice as much fuel value if you just send it to me so I can process it.
You know, I'm gonna buy the coal off Cinnabon, and then I'm gonna sell it to you, and then buy it back at a higher price.
Profit!
Profit!
Highest
Exactly, I'm a genius. This is how we're gonna make money. It's just like the UK in real life.
Few moments.
That's basically what we do in the real world. Right, Let's go collect that lava.
Finally, there you go.
So, with this, hopefully, we can collect the lava up and then put down a real smeltery, a big boy smeltery.
It's
yeah.
the big boy smeltery.
Little by little.
Boop.
This goes
I
behind.
have to be careful being here. Shit. Careful.
Oh,
My
your-
backpack is
Yeah,
stealing
your
your
backpack
items.
magnetized. I want to turn that off.
Also, my
Oh,
I
no.
have
There's rats.
Ah, more rats.
Uh-oh. This is going to be a problem. This entire place has been infested with rats. How did this happen?
They're in the stonework.
Oh my god.
I was in the cave last, and there was a huge amount of rats, and I think they may have just been in. I think they may have clawed onto me and then infected this place. Oh, I think this may be my fault. Uh-oh. This isn't good.
Solution. It's called a chemical thrower.
Okay, out of roleplay. When you built this place, did you use infested stone?
Yes.
I was
That's the problem.
I was considering that because when you're in the box of many things, the infested stone and the actual stone are technically side by side, so you have to keep an eye on that.
Oh no, I know that. This was on purpose.
That's what I was
Okay.
saying. That's
See,
why I said
That confused me.
Well, if you watched the last episode, you will know that I went into the caves and got absolutely mauled by a shit ton of rats that were just sitting in the cave.
Come on.
And
Yeah.
don't ask. It was horrible. And these
Yeah.
rats clawed onto my leg, and they infested the stonework.
That happened to me as well. When I first joined this land, I went to my own mines, and apparently one of those strange boxes that summon monsters summoned a whole bunch of rats.
Yeah.
Really killed me twice.
I think we're gonna need a mage or someone to come and investigate.
Well, I have been working on
look
that.
how my chemical
If
thrower
not, we could
burns
just set it on
them to death.
fire.
Oh,
I have like 2 chemical throwers. I have one lying around what I'm using. And I have mountains of creosote oil.
Here's oil. All right.
All I can
Yeah,
say
it's
is,
flamer fuel.
pay me for my coal. You just give the currency to my husband.
Cute.
I don't even know how to work creosote oil myself. Ooh, diamond fragments.
Because if you go look in the chest, I've already may have dropped some coal off.
That's a lot of coal.
And I still got 14k in my bag.
Jesus. Right. Anyway, back to the roleplay. So yes, the smeltery is now fully operational. I think we did it. All we need now is lava. Now, if I put in some iron, we're gonna need some gold as well to make a cast. Once we have a cast, we can now start making, well, patterns and tools and weapons.
We're gonna need some gold, right?
Yep. Only like 10 pieces. There is some gold, I think, in the house, last time I checked. Oh, your backpack.
You put those there because my backpack sucks those up.
Little bushes. Lost gardens. Oh, I didn't know this over here. You got a peach tree.
Do I? Ooh.
Lily.
Oh.
There's also an apple tree.
Is your magnet
What?
turned off, or is it just being buggy?
Got an apple tree over here.
You know, I just remember I have a magnet, and my armor has enchant for
Yeah,
magnet
that's
on
why I
it.
took off my armor for now.
So
Until I actually need it. Alright, let's see. Do I have any cobblestone on me right now so I can repair these holes? No, I do not. I have a bit of
Don't
iron on
mind
me
me.
though.
I'm just gonna kill some of these hunters over here because
And a bit of gold.
they're bane to my kind.
What is your kind?
I is a werewolf.
Oh, you are the werewolf. The werewolf queen.
Yes.
So yeah, I did have a bit of gold and iron on me in my backpack from earlier journeys.
Oh, I have some gilding as well.
Yeah.
Awesome, you have 9 geld.
Yeah,
Because-
I got that from a pirate ship actually.
Ah, you're out ruining the swashbucklers, I see.
Oh
Very
yeah,
good.
definitely. Yeah, they weren't very friendly. Apparently, 2 of them turned back into eggs out of fear of me.
Good. I can never support those swashbucklers. They have destroyed many of my many vessels and ships of the land, especially when I went to go trade. That's
Yeah.
why I made my own pirates to fight the other pirates.
Yeah. I got a backpack full of loot from that thing.
Oh, nice. They changed all the recipes as well.
Hell yeah. The one of the really good aspects is that if you have a crafting table in your inventory, you can just craft from there.
Oh yeah. Yes, you can actually.
Very good convenience.
Oh, here we go.
I will be heading back to New Elysium. I have some stuff.
New
to do.
Elysium, is this the town that you control?
New Elysium is formerly known as Wolfden.
Ah. Yes, I remember Wolfden.
I'm gonna put
Station,
these coins
crafting
back in my
station.
spare backpack. Oh, scusi.
The Tinker's Anvil. Hmm.
Tinker Station, where you create all your gear and stuff, but I believe you can upgrade the Tinker Station into the Tinker's Forge.
Anvil. It's now called the Tinker's Anvil.
Anvil.
But we are going to need a lot of metal.
Yeah. Let's see here. In order to make the Tinker's Anvil, let's see here. Where's the... Oh, there we go. Stanton, brass, netherite. You can make it out of any kind of metal. Just, let's see the most convenient one.
I've got iron on me.
Yeah. Let's go for iron. You'll need 3 blocks of iron. Either the station itself or 4 bricks or scorched bricks. Let's see here. Scorched bricks are made from actual scorched brick construct, which made from nether grout.
Do you have rose gold in this? Alloying copper and gold gives you rose gold. We cannot use iron, it turns out, but I can make rose gold. We cannot use copper.
Rose gold isn't exactly good though.
No, for the smelter. Well, it's not good, it is pretty.
True.
Manulin.
I think we're gonna need more lava.
We have pig iron, which is... yes, I think so. Alloying blood, iron, and clay.
Alright, you can literally eat your own tools when you have that on it.
The what?
You can eat your own tools if it has pig iron anywhere in it.
Oh.
It's
Right, I think
encouraging,
it's
I
time.
guess.
Do we have any portable tanks?
Portable tanks?
Oh, we do. It's these, these.
I'm gonna get a little more cobblestone here because... Ooh, platinum.
Right.
Good, you.
I'll be right back. I'm going to go venture out to find some lava. And where is the best place to find lava other than the water, because we all know lava always hides in the water. Right, we shall deep sea diving. Right, if I remember correctly, there's these caverns under the ground, and in these caverns, yes, there's lava in huge amounts, and diamonds, and gold. Oh, there's a bounty of treasure down here. Okay, that's enough lava for one day.
The one thing I discovered when I was down here is that the world's blessed with gigantic veins of different kinds of ores. So we should keep an eye out for those.
Oh, definitely.
Oh, zombie. Hello. Get out of my face.
Oh, you down here?
Yeet.
Did you by any chance happen to collect some diamonds?
I got one.
Yep, that's from one ore.
Ow. Thank you.
Right, let's go back to the surface.
Ooh, I see a mob box over there.
Ooh, never mind. Let us investigate further.
Yeah. Make your way up here.
Okay, I'm on my way. Where are you? I think I found you. Where is it?
Be aware that I have night vision, so like right over there. And
Oh, so
there's
do
there's a apotheosis box.
Oh, I got night vision as well. Yeah.
Suck it.
See, is this it? It's pretty.
Careful, these guys are.
Any interesting loot?
Let's see. I got. Let's get out of here before we.
Oh,
Take
good
care of
idea. But
Grab the loot out of the
first-
chest. I'll cover you. We'll sort everything out when we get up to the surface. There's too many.
Awesome. And
Alright, I cleared the area a bit. Oh.
I mined a monster box.
Huh.
Ooh, there's another monster box. Nothing.
I found something.
Oh, where?
It is an old eye.
Oh.
Now, I know what these things do. And I know where to take them.
Oh, perfect.
I'm actually finding that place. Vampires, look out.
Don't worry, vampires can't swim.
Well, they can, but
Yes.
they're weak because of it.
Yes, but they can infect you.
Wait, vampires can't go in sunlight. Oh, that's the
They
wrong.
can't.
No, yes, they can swim. They can't go in sunlight. I forgot.
You're glowing. I think you may have been hit with something.
Can't be. I seem to be glowing myself. I'm not glowing. Am I?
Well, not glowing per se. You have an effect on you.
I got night vision and regeneration
Anything else?
and speed.
Okay. Alright, I just wanted to make sure. I didn't know if the vampires hit you or not.
Oh,
They
hopefully.
have a chance of infecting you if they do.
Oh, if they infected me, oh God would happen to the kingdom.
It'd probably be fine, but be a little different.
Probably. Speaking of being a little different, we need to. What was I doing? Oh yes, lava. Do you have the tank? Oh, I've got the tank.
Okay, so I got quite a bit of loot down there.
I got 2 music discs, an Oreo bottle, and some steel.
Yeah, I got 2 as well. I got wormhole potions. Got that deer brick you just grabbed. A tablet of moonfall.
Ooh.
An ancient tome for feather falling that will increase the feather falling enchantment if you have one. Let's see. I got those leggings as well. Climber 4, Fire Protection 6, called Bias's Reinforced Crystal Leggings. They're diamond. Check it out.
Let's have a look. Buyer's Reinforced Crystal Leggings with Climber 4 and Fire Prot. Ooh. Oh, they look quite nice.
I'm gonna make things a little easier. I'm gonna set down a chest.
Do you want them?
My armor's a little bit better.
Oh, so I shall take it then. They are much better than these ironclads I'm wearing. Oh, how lovely. And we have a Tinker's Anvil. We can now make a huge range of tools. Or a wider range.
Alright, so let's set all of this in here. So, about this old eye I found. There is a place I know of, an ancient castle filled with villagers, and a portal. There are these eyes found throughout the world that if you find all of them, they're all individual eyes, you can open the portal and fight the end dragon.
Can I have a look at these eyes?
I'll put it in here so Amanda doesn't suck it up again. That's just one of many.
Legends say the eyes once belonged to one of the great sandworms. So this eye is not the same as a Ender eye, or an eye of Ender.
No, these eyes are very special. They've taken on the forms of wherever they lie.
Oh, I see.
I know there is one nearby in an underwater temple. I haven't exactly looked into there yet to find it yet.
Right, we must have a look soon. Right after we smith some weapons to fight on this land. So we have Anvil.
Anvil?
Do we have a... casting chest? I wonder.
Ooh, I did find some recall potions.
What do recall potions do?
If you slept in a bed, you can use the potion wherever you are, and it will take you back to your bed.
Oh, how interesting. That actually seems to be quite useful.
Oh yeah. Also, there's these wormhole potions that allow you to teleport to other people around the world.
Oh, I must find a couple of those.
Yeah, these are all the loot from the chest, so I put them in this chest here.
Oh, how awesome. Let me get my loots. I've got mana regen, a recall potion, a saddle, some iron armor.
That mana regen potion is becoming useful once we learn magic.
Oh, I am looking down to go down the route of flower power. Flowers, I like them. They're quite
Flower
nice.
power?
Yeah. Britannia.
Power Britannia.
Yes, I see.
Rule Britannia. Rule Britannia.
Oh, then I think these flowers would be useful.
Yeah.
Alright.
Britannia rules the plains.
Okay. Well, if we're going to be going down the route of Britannia, first thing you need to find is a Lexica Britannia.
That's you combine a book and thingy together. Sapling.
Yeah, that.
We need some lapis lazuli to make a tinker's chest and then a casting chest. A casting chest I can make now.
Ow. What?
No, it's fine. Oh.
What? That's weird. I guess whatever hit me teleported away. Coward.
One and a casting chest. This is where we can store all our important casts. And we
can store multiple of the same one in the chest.
Oh, I got it.
I don't suppose you have any more ooh, a lucky horseshoe. I don't suppose you have any things to help with
With what?
So, what was I thinking? It's to do with... Oh, I don't suppose you have any, like, stone slabs or bricks or anything like that?
Well, I have. We can make them easily enough with cobblestone. But if we want to make them easier, we're going to need a stone cutter.
Oh. How intriguing.
Stone cutter is actually pretty easy to make. We'll need 1 iron and...
We need to fill the gaps of the...
Polished stone, I think. Oh, I just want to make a stone cutter. Let me get up real quick. Okay. Let's see here. Yep, we need 3 stone just by itself. We'll have to cook up 3 cobblestone and 1 iron.
Yes. I need a much better sword than my trident.
I'll work on setting up stone cutter.
Yes, please. Thank you. I'm going to finish off the chests to make patterns, and then we'll be in business.
Alright. Okay, there's iron in here. Gonna cook up the iron ingots. Ooh,
A tinker's chest.
do you have any iron in here? You do. We have ingots, so let's take one out of here. And replace it with one of these. Oh.
Part chest.
Alright, I'm gonna put these cobblestone back in here. Put that out. And stone cutter. Let's see, where do I want to put this thing? Okay, first off, I gotta fix the holes in the ground for those rats earlier. The holes were irking me.
Uh-oh, I think there is an infection. Why is everything being attracted to one place? Oh, you're not in my house.
Okay, were you looking for just stone slabs or cobblestone slabs?
Stone brick slabs.
Stone brick slabs. Okay. Let's just shove that in there.
Beekeeping, protection, mana, end eyes, respiration. Mana, adept, aquavidity, 2. Magnet, no wonder. It's being attracted to my trident that's being kept upstairs.
Ah, that explains it.
It has magnetism on it, no wonder.
Is it attached to the wall or in a chest?
It's
Oh,
it's on an item frame. When I hold my trident out, it attracts all items close to it.
Interesting. Alright, I'm cooking up the rest of the cobblestone that we have. It's like 6 pieces. One of the good things is that I have a skill when it comes to smelting, which means I can
awesome.
double the output.
Oh, how nice.
I'll put all that in here. Keep sucking it up. Nice bread. There's some nice bread right there. Tinker's chest, turn the parts chest, cat chest. Oh, by the way, stone cutter's over here.
Oh, awesome. Let me just figure out how to make a part. We got a part builder. No, we don't. Aha! I'm missing a part builder.
There is also the wood cutter.
Part builder.
Oh,
Are you not able to turn off the magnet, or?
It's a part of my armor. I can take off the
Ah.
armor and prevent it from magnetizing.
Fair enough.
I'm not gonna need it here.
You got my lamp? Ah,
There you
there
go.
it is.
Ah, here we go. And
What else do we
What-
need? One more. Tinker station, part builder. I need a part. We got part chest, book. How do I make the patterns?
the patterns.
Patterns have to be made in the stencil table.
All right. So the patterns are actually pretty simple. You'll need 2 sticks and 2 planks.
Oh, I know that much, but I'm saying, how do I make the actual like patterns?
Ah, right. I believe if you're just looking for the patterns by themselves, I think it's a one-time use. So once you place the blank patterns in here and the materials in there, it will just simply create it from that block into there. So it'll consume it.
Ooh, okay. Ooh,
one
I
thing-
see. That is interesting. Wow, that's ingenious.
So it will consume the pattern and the blanks. So you'll have to make a lot of patterns.
Wow. No, it makes the actual part I need.
Mhm.
Oh, not bad. Oh, that's alright then. Right. I don't know about you, but I'm feeling a little bit peckish, so I'm going to be right back while I disappear for some food.
Alright.